What is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electrical power or charge. Electricity is all around us, from the TV we watch, the computer we play on, and the lights in our bedrooms. Many devices and machines use electricity in order to work. The most common way of using electricity is the wall plugs at home, and the other way is in the form of batteries. There are different types of electricity, such as static electricity. Static electricity occurs when two surfaces are rubbed together in order to create friction. This is why sometimes when we rub our feet on the carpet and touch something suddenly, we feel a spark or a small shock. Static electricity can be found in printers. The electrical charges causes the ink to be attracted to the paper. Another type of electricity is current electricity. Current electricity is when the electrical charges flows through a circuit. A circuit is a wired path where the electrons can flow from a power source to the object in which it needs electricity. There are two main types of circuits: series circuit and parallel circuits. So how is current electricity different from static electricity? Current electricity does not require the rubbing of objects. Current electricity has a source of power. This source of power is usually in the form of a generator or a battery. Examples of current electricity objects are fans, microwaves, and TVs. Most of our appliances circuits are made out of conductors. Conductors allow electrical current to flow easier. Examples of conductors are copper, gold, and silver. The opposite of conductors are insulators, which are materials that don't allow electrical current to flow through them. Examples of insulators are rubber, glass, and dry wood.